bitch, I ball on her. Ups is like I'm. Little bitch, I ball on her. Ups like I'm Tim Duncan. Little bitch, I ball on her. Ups is like Tim. Little bitch, I ball on her. Ups is like I'm. Little bitch, I ball on her. Ups like I'm Tim Duncan. Lil' shawty, you was the one that I was loving. Lil' shawty, you was the one that I was touching. Lil' shawty, you was the one that I was hugging. Now I got 80 bitches just like McLovin. I got that Glock on my side finna go. I got that Glock on my side finna go hunting. On the ops we finna slide, they get to running. We posterize these niggas like Andre Drummond. I tried to chase you, shawty, when you went running. November 14th when I had started crushing. Lil' shawty left me, now my heart it is crushing.
Get in the zone, auto zone.
Pet Boys.
No.
Pet Boys.
You wanna go to war?
Can you say it in a pet voice? You wanna go to war? Take you to war. Why can you do this shit?
I don't give a fuck, check the score. You wanna go to war? Take you to war. Walk in this bitch like Steven Seagal. Chain big.
Goyard, yeah, I love it. Got a fat ass, I wanna. Got a fat ass, I wanna touch it. Ball on the ops is like I'm. Ball on the ops is like Tim Duncan. You was the one that I was loving. Bow!
Oh shit.
It is crushing. It is. Finna ball out on the ops is like Tim.
Anybody wanna hop on?
Yeah.
Alright, bet I need to cut this last part out.
Yeah, that young nigga fuck with that one.
Do that sound too fast?
Let me hear the original one.
Alright.
What was wrong with that one?
I think I changed the monitor, so I didn't know if it would be the same volume.
Monitor or speakers?
Bro, I think that joint's cool.
Alright. It's on, cause I record. I think I might have turned the monitor up a little bit, so it might have impacted something.
That shit
Monitor or speakers?
The monitor.
That's speakers.
The speakers?
Yes. You trying to turn the vocals up?
These are monitors.
You trying to turn the vocals up?
Oh no, not no more. Cause I thought, I had it said monitor and I turned it by accident, so I thought that was turning the vocals up on here.
No, that's just a speaker.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying. That shit was the same.
Oh, okay. Are you writing that shit?
Huh?
No.
I'm ready whenever.
Alright, it is all up to you now.
I got suns like Abraham. Hello.
Switch these with me real quick.
Alright.
But it's cool though, cause now my phone be jumping.
Shit.
Ew. Oh, it's not even.
The thing where Pierre.
But where the fuck is your
What you looking for?
I'm looking for the motherfucking reverb.
What is it?
Yeah, delete whichever one is.
Delete it.
Hell, what is that?
Delete it.
Huh? Delete the tape?
Delete this. Press delete.
Oh, you want me to delete it?
Thank you.
Hello. Alright. Just a little better.
Yeah, I gotta do it.
Okay. What?
You couldn't have did that when you left.
I'm about to leave now.
Why didn't
But you couldn't do that.
Yo, this nigga's out of pocket.
Trying to hold it.
Alright, I can tolerate that. You think that's funny, nigga? Alright, fuck wrong with you?
You're crazy.
That nigga's insane, bro.
Can I see your laptop real quick?
Huh?
Say, can I see your laptop real quick?
What the fuck you trying to do on my laptop? You wanna do what? I don't know what the fuck you just said.
I'm deleting all your files.
Don't get no fuck though, cause you know my phone stay jumping. I don't give no fuck about no bitch, I got my money. I don't give a fuck about I don't give no fuck about no bitch, I got my money. I just smoked the whole O in this bitch, yeah, that's an iron. I smoked the O up in this bitch, it smell like iron. She say she bitch can. She say she love me, bitch, I only love my hundreds.
You finishing right there?
Yes, you get 4 bars.
Alright.
Fucking schmooka dooka pooka.
We posterize these niggas like Andre Drummond. I tried to chase you, shorty, when you ain't running. November 14th, when I had started crushing. Lil' shorty left me, now my heart it is crushing.
Don't get no fucked up, you know my phone stay jumping. I don't get no fuck about no bitch, I got my money. I smoke the O up in this bitch, it smell like onions. She say she love me, bitch, I only love my hundreds.
Damn shawty, damn shawty, damn shawty, damn shawty,